I am going to teach you theory of hydrograph. First, you see the definition of unit hydrograph. The concept of a unit hydrograph, initially called a unit graph, was proposed by Mr. L.K. Sherman. Consider a watershed. It is a graph showing the river discharge over time. The runoff resulting from exactly 1 centimeter or 1 inch of effective rainfall or rainfall excess falling uniformly over the area for a specific duration. The graph shows the runoff from 1 centimeter of excess rain that fell over a 3-hour period. Then L.K. Sherman principle. The concept depends on the idea that if a basin conditions stay the same amount of rain will always produce the same shaped runoff curve. There are two assumptions. First one is time invariance, then linear response. Time invariance. The physical characteristics of the drainage basin, shape, slope, soil type are assumed to be a constant. 1 centimeter storm today will produce the same hydrograph as a 1 centimeter storm next month. Direct runoff hydrograph for a catchment and for same duration effective rainfall is always same irrespective of its occurrence time. Whether the rainfall occur in the morning or in the evening, if it is having same duration and it is happening in the same catchment area, then the runoff hydrograph will be same, direction of hydrograph will be same. Then another one is linear response. If the 1 centimeter of rain gives a peak flow of 10 meter cube per second, then 2 centimeter of rain will give a peak flow of 20 meter cube per second. The ordinates vertical values are directly proportional to the total runoff. x1 t times gives y1 t. x1 gives y1. x1 is a input. It causing y1 at the output. If x2 is the input, the y2 is the output. Here in the case of direct runoff hydrograph, rainfall excess is the input and resulting direct runoff hydrograph will be output. If you have two different rainstorms occurring one after another, the total runoff in the river is simply the sum of runoff generated by each individual storms. x1 t is causing y2 as the output. In the case of direct runoff, x1 t times plus x2 t times two different hydrograph, two different storm hydrograph, rain occurring in the one after another. The total runoff in the river is simply the sum of the runoff generated by each individual storms. So we get the, let's see the principle of proportionality. If x2 is the r times of x1, then y2 will be the r times of y1. x2 t equal to r times x1 t. y2 t is equal to r times y1 t. Ordinate of direct runoff hydrograph is equal to 2 into ordinate of unit hydrograph. 1 centimeter 1 centimeter effective rainfall produces a certain hydrograph. This is 2 centimeter rainfall. 2 centimeter of rainfall of the same duration will produce will produce a hydrograph where every discharge value is exactly double. Ordinate of the runoff hydrograph will be just twice of ordinate of unit hydrograph, and in this way this direct runoff hydrograph will be plotted. So we get the unit hydrograph. Thank you.